Hello student, welcome to today's question of the day. Today is the 22nd April and we are going to discuss another important question from the topic SQL function. So let's see the question first and we will discuss the solution then. So it is a 2-mark question and it is a very simple question. I am just reading out this question first and then we will discuss the solution. So Shyam is using a table that's name is student and it has the following columns that admin number. So I am just drawing this table for you. So one column is the admission number, another column is the name of the student, another column is the aggregate marks. Okay, another column is stream. So there are 4 columns are given. Now we will discuss the question further. She wants to display the highest aggregate marks obtained in each stream. What actually she want to display? You just need to imagine this question in your mind, imagine the table in your mind. You need not to draw this table in the solution, but just you need to imagine that this is the data and what you want to get in output. Okay, so if you know that, that is fine for understanding this question. So I am just remembering like 1 2 3 4, like name A B C D. I am just assuming aggregate marks just 90 92 78 50, like that. Stream, let's suppose science, humanities, science, okay, and commerce, like that I am assuming. So she wants to display the highest aggregate marks obtained in each stream. What he wants, he want to display the highest marks on in each stream. Let's suppose there are 3 streams. One is science, another one is like humanity, another one is the commerce, and he want to display the highest mark. In science stream there are 2 entries. What is the highest marks, 90 or 78? 90 the highest mark, so you want to display 90 in a science. Humanity, there is only one row, so it will be the highest mark like 92, and in commerce also it will be 50 because only one row. So he wants output like that. Okay, maximum of aggregate marks, like that. He wants output like this. Okay, now she has written the following query. She has written this query: select, then stream, then max function she has applied, and then she has written agree AGGE marks, okay, from student. Okay, she has written like this, but rewrite the above query with necessary changes to help her to get the desired output. But using this query she is not able to get this output. Okay, if you understand this query, you will definitely say that this query is not correct, because this query will return the maximum of aggregate marks in the whole table, whole column aggregate marks. It will return the maximum of aggregate column. So what is the maximum aggregate column? It will return the output like this, 92, and its stream is humanities. So it will return the output like this. But in the question it is asked that he want to get the highest aggregate marks stream wise, each stream. Okay, so science he want different like maximum marks, humanities separate maximum marks, and commerce separate maximum marks. For that purpose what we need to do, we need to apply the group by here by this column stream. So this query will be rewritten as correct query like this. If you have written this query, then what will be the correct query? Correct query will be that you need to add some more things here, and that more thing will be group by, and then you will write here stream. If you will write like this, this solution will be correct. So this is the correct query now completely. If you write like this, I have told you the difference between, if you don't write like group by, then it will calculate the maximum aggregate marks throughout the this column, okay, of the student table. But whenever you want the output each stream wise highest mark, in that case you need to write this query like this. Okay, so I have already written this query, correct query, so it is a correct query. And what is the reason? You can write down the reason for not giving correct output as this. So I am just roughing this portion. I am writing the region. So what with the region? Above query means this query. Okay, the above query will display the maximum aggregate marks of the column. It it will not display maximum aggregate marks stream wise. Hence this query is not giving proper or desired result. To get the desired result, she has to apply group by first, and then you will write this query. Okay, the correct query is given below, and then you will write this query. So this will give you the complete justification and correct query also. 1 mark for correct query, 1 mark for this justification. That way you can easily get the 2 out of 2. Okay, so I hope you got this solution. If you still didn't get, then please comment on the video. I will get back to you, and you may watch my video on the aggregate functions in the playlist if you still didn't get. Thank you so much. Share it with your classmate and like it if you like this video, and share it with your classmates so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.